So hello and welcome back, and in this video I want to show you how to remove back lamps on Ford Focus MK3, and this one is a station wagon. So we will start with outside, because you need to be careful with these do tend to break over here, like here when you take them out, or even when you scratch it, or somewhere around here. Basically most usable is here. So this is gonna be that kind of video where we're gonna show you how to take those out. So here you can see the first screw, so the first one you can see, and it's not not even really hard to get to, but the other one is kind of harder to get. You need to remove this over here, and yeah, you should be kind of careful with this, because this one, it does tend to break quite easy. I mean, it's nothing overly too special, it's not even visible, but still it does not look really nice if it's broken and so on. So to remove this, it does take some time if you want to take it like real nice and easy. So let me take this out, or I mean, the next one is up over here, and maybe you can even take it out. I don't know if you're gonna see on the camera. It's, yeah, I'm gonna break it. I don't need it, but the second holder is up here. So if you want a little bit more access, you can take this out. So maybe we do it like that. I mean, it's Torx 25, I believe. So Torx 25, you take it out, and then all you have to do, I believe, is just pull out. But before that you need to take this one, and if you don't want to do all that things, it's better just take this out. You just go easy on it, and then there is underneath, you will be able to get to the one. I will try my best to show you where it is, but you can handle it with one hand. I'm gonna unscrew these two. The best one is to use the screwdriver, because sometimes they are hard to take out, but just the first circle, when you take the first circle out, after that it's easy with hand. So after that it's kind of easy with hand. Just the first circle is kind of hard. So let me take this out. So, and for this one, I don't know if you can ever see now, but here, let me show you. So where it is. Yeah, so this is the way how you put the screwdriver to take the first round out. After that just with hand. I mean, it's not really that hard, as you can see here, but the first, if nobody changed anything, the first round is kind of hard. It is hard. After that, you should always use plastic, because there is one here, as you can probably not see, but there is one, and after that it's just like that. So nothing overly too special. Only thing that is holding is this pin, and if it's good, it's easy to take. If not, it's hard. Next up, we're gonna remove this, but again, for this I need I need 2 hands, so it's just click from here down and pull this out. So when you clicked down here, it's just pull out, and then you have the lamp in your hand. Same way to put it back, you put the electricity and gently then click it back into the place. So it's not that hard, to be honest. I did change quite a few of these, but always you need to be careful. You don't want it to break over here. Next up, I'm gonna show you how to take this one out. And yeah, basically here, this plastic, you take this out, and then it's just one screw over here and little bit of electricity that you need to click. So yeah, like that. First pull, always this hardest, always the hardest. You take it out. It is just one, so it's not that hard to take out. And after that, you close the door. And basically, I believe it's from best way is up to here. If not here, then on this side. So this side out here, that side out there, and just need a little bit convincing. Nothing all the way too special. So I don't really wanna break it. Did I make something wrong? Let me see. No, just one pulley, but maybe it's got stuck. So we're gonna play with it a little bit. You just don't want to take out. So again, we're gonna use the plastic here just in case. I don't really want to break it. So with one hand is kind of harder. So you take this side out, and here is the clip. The clip is holding it here, and it's holding really, really hard. Let me show you like this with 2 hands. It's just like taking out like this. So yeah, this pin over here, that's one. If nobody ever took it out, it's kind of hard to take out. So that's the left side. Right side is kind of the same, so no point in using video time for that one. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe, comment, like and follow, and see you guys in the next one. So till next one.